Tray tables make it impossible to get comfortable on an airplane. Until now. Place the Airhook's anchor over the top of it and close and lock tray table. Push stabilizer bar against surface and fully tighten lower support knob. Hold a cell phone or tablet by placing device clip over the top. Push rear tension knob and pull bungee to lock into place. Then fully tighten upper support knob. If you have no beverage, loosen both support knobs and push cup holder down to move into convertible mode. Or lower can support to hold a beverage. Take the Airhook on the road with the crossbar, a spring-loaded coupling that fits within a vehicle's headrest. Slide the Airhook in the back and place the stabilizer bar on the support ledge or on your seat. Enjoy device support like it was built into your headrest. The crossbar also works between your luggage handlebars. Now you can watch your favorite movie at the gate. Or simply fold the Airhook flat and use stand-alone.